Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to see your blocked list on LinkedIn. Whether you've blocked someone for privacy reasons or just want to review your list, this guide will help you access it quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Once it's loaded, look towards the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the Me icon. This is where your profile settings are located. Tap on it. Next, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a page with multiple options to manage your account. From here, tap on Visibility, which is usually found midway down the list of settings. Now, scroll down until you find the option labeled Blocking. Tap on it, and you'll be directed to a page showing all the accounts you've previously blocked. If you haven't blocked anyone yet, this list will be empty. However, if you have, you'll see their names displayed here. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your blocked list on LinkedIn. From this page, you can review who's on the list and even choose to unblock someone if needed. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and share this video. Stay tuned for more easy-to-follow guides, and we'll see you in the next one.